So here's a cool trick. If you have a tire, say for a snowblower that's come off and the bead's broken, what'll happen if you try and put air in, it doesn't hold the air. Here's the solution. Ratchet strap around the tire right in the middle. Once it starts inflating, back off the ratchet strap. And fill to the correct PSI. This is 20 in my case. That's it. Back on the snowblower. No WD-40, no explosions. Just a tie strap and some compressed air.